What's the responsibility of the body corporate when it comes to balconies and repairs? Balconies and repairs, it'll depend on who owns the balcony. Body corporate is responsible for repairing the common property in good condition. Most balconies, most of the time, are the owner of the lot's responsibility, because usually if you own the apartment or townhouse, you also own the balcony, and the body corporate would often deal with the balustrade or the railing, because that's usually the boundary between what you own and what is common area. So that's sort of a bit of a very general rule, but as a committee member, you would have access online on our website to your building's plans, and it will depend on where the boundary is as to who's responsible for what part of the balcony. And we do have a fairly, it's as detailed as it can be, given that each plan is different, but it sort of gives some guidelines on our website under the FAQ section about, you know, the principles of maintenance, and you can look at those and apply them to your own plans. And if you can't work that out, you know, give us a ring, because we'll be able to answer that very quickly if it's a specific building and a specific unit number that you provide to us on the phone.